With great care, they now fold the flag and Satvika will present it to our chief guest, Dr. T. Vidya, who will hand it over to our principal, Miss Agnes Selvi ma'am, who will then hand it over to our physical trainer, Miss Janaki ma'am, symbolizing the closing of today's proud moments. A heartfelt thank you to say the vote of thanks. On behalf of all the students, I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who made our sports day so special. Thank you to our respected chief guests for encouraging us with inspiring words. Thank you to our principal ma'am, CSE ma'am, teachers, coordinators, and all the staff members for planning this wonderful event. A big thank you to our parents for cheering us and supporting us every step of the way. Finally, thank you to all my friends for participating with enthusiasm and showing true sportsmanship. We had a day full of fun, teamwork, and happy memories. Thank you once again. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, dear.
It's a pleasure to propose the oath of thanks on this wonderful occasion of our 15th Junior Annual Sports Meet. At the outset, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed correspondent, Dr. Sudha B. Sundar, our Managing Director, Mr. Brant B. Sundar, and the management for the constant support, encouragement, and for providing us with the opportunities and resources to conduct such events that promote the overall development of our children. I would also like to extend my sincere gratitude to our beloved principal ma'am, Ms. Agnes Selvi, and our chief academic coordinator, Ms. Marilyn Maisha ma'am, whose continuous support has been the driving force behind the successful execution of this event. My heartfelt thanks to our admin officer, Mr. Mutharaj, and admin team for the meticulous planning, coordination, and for overseeing every detail of the event, ensuring that everything was carried out smoothly. I would also like to express our sincere appreciation to our physical education trainers, Mr. Venkateshan B. and Ms. Janaki, for the dedication, enthusiasm, and commitment in training our young athletes. Your efforts have truly brought out the best in our children and encouraged them to participate with confidence and sportsmanship. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. T. Vidya ma'am, for gracing today's occasion with her presence and encouraging our young champions with her inspiring words. A big thank you to all the teachers of our for your unwavering support, patience, and dedications in training the children, coordinating the event, and ensuring the smooth conduct of today's program. Your hard work, both on and off the field, is deeply appreciated. A special appreciation to our young champions, our children, who participated with enthusiasm, energy, and confidence. Your smiles, efforts, and sportsmanship have made this day truly special. We are extremely proud of each one of you. A sincere word of appreciation to our dedicated supporting staff for their tireless behind-the-scene efforts, the primary students for their confident and wonderful comparing, and the teachers in charge for guiding them well, and our senior students for their enthusiastic support and valuable assistance throughout the event. Last but not least, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the parents. Your constant support, encouragement, and presence have played an important role in making this event successful. Thank you for participating, motivating our children, and cheering them with such enthusiasm. Once again, I thank each and every one of you for being a part of this memorable Junior Sports Day. Let us continue to encourage our children to learn, grow, and excel through such wonderful experience. Thank you.
I declare the CBS Public Schools Junior Sports Meet 2026-2027
Closed. Thank you.
Carry forward the values we have witnessed today: discipline, teamwork, and respect. The medals may mark today's achievement, but the lesson learned on the field will guide our children for a lifetime. To pay tribute to our nation, I kindly request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.